Here we are at Ninh Binh station and we're about to board our train that's soon to arrive. We're taking the train from Ninh Binh to Hanoi. It's like 3 hours, so it's not an overnight train or anything, but we're still dubious about the quality of the train. We're gonna find out. At least it's not this train. Doing it. We're being looked at a lot. A man wanted to take a selfie with us, so. It's a bit harrowing, besties, I'm not gonna lie to you. It went back in. Let's never get it back out again. Okay. We bought a banh mi on the train. It's train food review time. It's really good.
Good train food.
I give it like an 8 out of 10.
Nice and hot, warm too.
Got sink, toilet, pretty clean, some English signs, not great salt water, and no toilet paper, but we brought our own toilet paper, so that's alright, but yeah. Some fun music to bring us into Hanoi station. We're almost there. We're almost at Hanoi. How do you feel?
Interesting. I'm paranoid about where this rat is.
Oh yeah, we saw a small mouse. It was like this big. It probably isn't the only one though, so it hasn't made an appearance for a while, so hopefully we're good. We're almost there. Last station. These are the sleeper train cots.
So much nicer. Right? Do they not? I feel like they'd be more recently renovated. Like it's probably still an old train, but they've redone it.
And we've made it to Hanoi. We're harassed a lot by taxi drivers. Probably the most we've been anywhere in Vietnam so far, but we have done it. We're here. Overall, I would say it was a pretty alright ride. I don't think Josh was as fussed about it as I was, but I thought it was fine. You know, rats aside, I would go on a longer train. I think some of the other carriages, which I tried to show a little bit, were a little bit nicer. Like the first class one next to us, ours was second class. So, but I think first class would have been better. But there was also third class, which was like wooden seats, I think. So, you know, depends how much money you want to spend. But price-wise, it cost about the same amount as just taking the limousine bus, which is the way we got there. So, is it worth it? I don't know, but it was a good experience nonetheless. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!